Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device and browser meet requirements and updating anything outdated. This avoids compatibility issues. Next, pick a blocking method, browser extension for quick setup, system app for wider coverage, or DNS/rewrite on your router for whole network protection, based on how many devices you need to cover. Install the chosen tool now and grant only essential permissions. Avoid unknown sources. Once done, import or sync your bookmarks and preferences so your browsing remains familiar while ads get blocked. You now fine-tune filters. Enable recommended lists like Easy List and Easy Privacy to catch common trackers and intrusive ads, and add language-specific or regional lists for better coverage. Then create custom rules for sites that still show ads or whitelist sites you support. This balances revenue and privacy. Adjust resource hogging features like element blocking and cosmetic fixes if performance lags. Once configured, open several websites in normal and private modes to confirm that content renders correctly and that trackers are reduced. Finish by checking performance metrics and ensuring the blocker doesn't slow browsing. Measure memory and CPU usage and page load times, then tweak settings if needed. If an important site breaks, clear caches and restart the browser or device to rule out stale resources. If the problem persists, temporarily disable the specific rule or add the site to a whitelist, then document the change so you can revisit it. One key troubleshooting tip: if something still goes wrong, disable all extensions and re-enable them one by one to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.